Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0721, specifically relates to the output shaft, countershaft speed sensor, indicating a range or performance issue. This sensor plays a crucial role in the automatic transmission system by monitoring the speed of the output shaft. Its functionality is vital for optimizing engine performance, ensuring smooth gear shifts, and maintaining overall vehicle control. The sensor is located within the automatic transmission assembly, typically near the output shaft. An electrical circuit issue causes this code, signaling that mechanical problems within the transmission are unlikely. Therefore, troubleshooting efforts should focus on electrical connections rather than mechanical components, given that this code points to sensor performance rather than physical malfunction. The output shaft speed sensor, also known as the countershaft speed sensor, is responsible for providing real-time data on the rotational speed of the output shaft to the engine control unit, ECU. This data is essential for the ECU to make informed decisions regarding transmission gear shifts, influencing overall drivability and performance. The sensor is typically located in the automatic transmission assembly, specifically near the output shaft, ensuring it accurately measures speed. When the DTC P0721 is triggered, it indicates a performance-related fault due solely to an electrical circuit issue. This distinction is important as it helps eliminate mechanical components as potential causes. Electrical problems may include poor wiring, corroded connectors, or a malfunctioning sensor itself, which require focused troubleshooting. Diagnosing the cause of DTC P0721 begins with understanding the possible contributing factors. Poor electrical connections can occur due to corrosion, wear, or damage, interrupting the signal transmission between the sensor and the ECU. A faulty sensor itself may also result in incorrect readings, thus causing the performance-related code to trigger. It's crucial to audit the connections and integrity of wiring first, before considering sensor replacement. Improper installation may result from previous repairs or replacements, potentially affecting sensor performance or causing intermittent signals. Each of these scenarios necessitates a thorough inspection to ascertain the root cause of the issue. When the Honda Pilot experiences DTC P0721, drivers may notice several symptoms indicative of malfunction. Engine performance issues can manifest as stalling or irregular acceleration due to improper sensor readings, affecting fuel delivery and engine responsiveness. Additionally, transmission shifting problems may arise, where shifts happen too early or too late, leading to a less smooth driving experience. Such irregularities can create discomfort while driving and compromise vehicular safety. Moreover, the check engine light will illuminate on the dashboard, serving as an immediate warning to the driver that a malfunction has been detected. Addressing these symptoms promptly is essential for maintaining vehicle performance and safety. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0721 involves a comprehensive diagnostic trouble code check using the Honda Diagnostics software, HDS. Begin by turning the vehicle's ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Following this, use the HDS tool to clear any existing DTCs to ensure a fresh start. The next crucial step is to raise the vehicle using a lift, ensuring it is securely supported to allow for safe working conditions. This setup is pivotal, as it allows all four wheels to rotate freely, providing the necessary conditions to monitor sensor activity during subsequent tests. This systematic approach ensures reliability in diagnosing the output shaft speed sensor statuses. The second step in troubleshooting requires verifying the problem with the vehicle by again checking for pending or confirmed DTCs using the HDS. This adds another layer of analysis to assess if DTC P0721 is indicated as the primary error code. If the code appears, it confirms that the failure has been duplicated, allowing the technician to proceed to the next troubleshooting phase. Conversely, if the DTC is not confirmed, it may indicate an intermittent failure, suggesting that the system may currently be functioning properly. In such cases, it's effective to reference any freeze data or onboard snapshots associated with this DTC to recreate the failure conditions as described, aiding in more accurate diagnostics. In the third troubleshooting step for DTC P0721, check the output shaft speed sensor's connection and installation. Begin by visually inspecting the sensor for any signs of poor connection, which could include frayed wires or corrosion at the connectors. It's essential to ensure that the installation of the sensor is correct, as improper placement can also lead to performance issues. If the connection and installation are confirmed to be satisfactory, the logical next step is to replace the output shaft speed sensor itself. Doing so resolves the electrical issues attributed to the failed readings, re-establishing the sensor's functionality. Ensuring a robust connection can significantly impact overall vehicle performance and diagnostics accuracy. After completing the necessary repairs, it's crucial to verify that the issue has been resolved. This is done by rechecking for any diagnostic trouble codes using the Honda Diagnostic Software, HDS. Ensure that no residual DTCs are present that could indicate other underlying issues. Once confirmed, conduct a test drive of the vehicle to evaluate if the engine and transmission are performing as expected under real-world conditions. Monitor for the absence of any previous symptoms associated with DTC P0721. This step ensures that the repair was effective and that the vehicle retains optimal performance levels. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P0721 in the future, implementing a consistent preventive maintenance schedule is essential. Regularly inspect the output shaft speed sensor and its connections, ensuring there are no signs of wear, corrosion, or damage. Additionally, maintaining the electrical connections throughout the vehicle will mitigate issues that could lead to DTC recordings over time. It's beneficial to document any repairs or replacements performed, supplying future technicians with crucial history that aids in diagnostics. Consistent inspections, combined with proper documentation, will streamline the process should any similar issues arise, enhancing vehicle reliability. In conclusion, effectively troubleshooting DTC P0721 involves a systematic approach that emphasizes the identification of electrical issues rather than mechanical failures. By following the steps outlined, technicians can accurately diagnose, repair, and verify sensor functionality to ensure optimal vehicle performance. Post-repair monitoring is equally imperative, confirming that the repairs have hold and the vehicle operates without triggering further DTCs. By adhering to preventive maintenance guidelines, such as regular inspections and documenting repairs, longevity in the sensor's performance can be achieved, thus avoiding future complications. This proactive strategy not only enhances the driving experience, but also maintains vehicle safety and reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.